So I'm gonna put on my dancing shoes, then I'ma hit the floor. The whole night you step in the day club. Anyway, all the people in Mandeville think that Kim Kardashian get her name. It's a sex tape that came out with she and Ray J, make she was saying and globalized, you know. So anyway, you all out there talking about Lady Sparks. I put up a pics with her. We were actually doing a tongue kissing thing, which her mouth is so far from my tongue. If you all zoom it in and look at it properly, you realize that we're not really kissing. Anyway, we did it because we went on a boat ride and we were doing kissy face, and it become something number one topic on Facebook that we're lesbian. So anyway, I go ahead, take another pic with my tongue out and her mouth so close to mine, but we were not kissing. Mandeville people, I do not sleep with women. I sleep with only men. I'm not a lesbian, and I do not owe you all out there anything to explain it to you all that I am not a lesbian. But in truth and in fact, I am not a lesbian. I sleep with only men. But I am also free to do whatever I want to do. It is my life, and I do what I want to do with it. Mandeville are the most lesbian in Jamaica. Mandeville have the most Batman in Jamaica. So let's say Mandeville have the most gay people. And a lot of you females, husbands, are sleeping with other men and sleeping back with you as a wife or a baby mother or a girlfriend. No, you all need to check that out. I do not talk things that I don't know about because I have proof for it, because I have gay friends. And trust me, I know all of them. If I wish to call name, but I don't business with people, life and what they do because it's their life, so I'm not going to mix it up and tell you who's man is sleeping with which other man. Which female husband or baby father or boyfriend is sleeping with another man. No. Lady Sparks, she have what she wants, she live her life, she have fun, she go shopping, she change her hair, she do everything she wants every day. Now when you all out there worrying about what Lady Sparks, my darling, what you all out there worrying about what Lady Sparks is doing? I mean, we are kissing. We're kissing, yes, that is another one of my girl, yes. I have so many of them. I mean, wife and mate. I mean, trust me, soon we're going to see more pics coming up. We're getting married soon. So, you all out there, enjoy because we have a lot more. You see all of the hairdressers them and the bar, one of them, the bars, them in mind, they're going to make the crazy money off of Lady Sparks and Tanya come past. With name gone globalized, she do a video, it become a headache in a Mandeville, and everybody are worried about Tanya being lesbian, and over 10,000 views we get on the video, everybody worrying about Lady Sparks being lesbian and Tanya being lesbian. You understand what I'm saying? We have more things to talk about, so I'm gonna give you all something to talk about. Anyway, I gotta get back to my business because we're real busy, but we're giving you all something to talk about. My husband don't have a problem with it. My boyfriend don't have a problem with it, and my husband is so cool with it.